Good day. Today we got this Windstorm 2007. That is, let's take a look at it. Beautiful car in a very good condition. It's a little bit of rust on the outside. Actually here. Let's check the doors. This door here as well. Take the back seat. One is very clean here. Now let's take the trunk. Alright, so the trunk opens very smoothly. Very good. Let's take the edges here. Very good, very spacious.
Alright, inside the car right now. Let's start it. Okay, we put the key on. Alright. Start the engine. Cool. The radio was on. Let's try to accelerate. Show the RPMs movement. Okay, so RPMs are very good. Let's try to accelerate one more time. Listen to the engine sound. Perfect. Let's try the audio over here.
분들이 혹시 궁금해하시는 게 몰래 녹음하는 게 불법이 아니냐 이렇게 이제 걱정하시는 분이 있는데, 제이슨은 이런 얘기를. 군 대총관이란 상주 지방에 설치된 군의
Perfect. Audio works perfectly. Let's try the AC. The lowest here. Okay. The wind's coming up very strong, very cold. Perfect. AC works just fine. Got windows, all working perfectly. Other side as well. Perfect. We got the sunroof here. Control it from this one. Okay, work the other side. Perfect. Show you the seats in here. They're in a very good condition. We got these controls as well for the audio. They work just fine. This one for the mirrors. Perfect. Yep, that should be all. Mileage is low as well. Everything. Oh, except for this one. Forgot it. Got these seat heaters. The car is very good from inside, very clean. Alright, here I open the engine. No smoke or oils coming out. Sound and look good.
Esta es de USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo deseen. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es +8210-7353-2398.
Finishing here with this WINSTOM 2007. As you have seen, the car is in a very good condition, very clean from inside and outside. Engine is also good. If you're interested in this car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. Thanks for watching.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es BUSYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.